Hey to your friends! Today we are going to learn about living things and their needs. Let's have a review first of what is living and non-living things. Living things is called an organism. An organism is made up of cells. Examples are plant, human, and animals. Those are living things. Now, non-living things are the things that were once alive or have never been alive. Examples are toys, clothes, house, car, bags, and more. Let me ask you these following questions before we start our lesson. What do living things need to stay alive? What do you need? What do your pets need? What do plants need in order for them to grow? Let's find the answer for these questions as we go along in this video. Our learning objectives for this lesson are the following. Observe and identify the needs of living things. Understand that in order to survive, animals need air, water, food, and shelter. And plants need air, water, nutrients, and light. Begin observation of a plant and its need through an experiment. Monitor and record the growth of a plant. The first thing that all organisms need to survive is something they get from their surroundings, and that is water. All organisms need water to survive. In fact, many organisms can't go more than a day without water. The second thing is food. Animals and humans need food to create energy. They need this energy in order for them to do their daily activities. Plants get their energy from the sun through the process of photosynthesis. The third thing is air. Humans and animals need oxygen to breathe. Plants need carbon dioxide to breathe. The fourth thing is shelter and space. Humans and animals need shelter for protection from both abiotic and biotic factors. When we say abiotic factors, is any non-living factor that is used or present in an ecosystem, for example, the wind, rain, temperature, and climate. When we say biotic factors, are the living components of an ecosystem. These are the animals, plants, trees, grass, and bacteria. Our essential question, what do all living things need to survive? Is it all living things need food, water, air, shelter, or space in order for them to live and grow healthy? Now let's do an experiment. The objectives for this experiment are the following. Students will be able to understand the basic requirements for plant growth. Student will develop questions to test for a scientific experiment. Student will follow scientific method by carrying out the experiment they develop. Hi K2A friends! Today we're gonna do an experiment. And this experiment is called germinating seeds in a bag. So we're gonna plant a seed inside a bag. So what are the things that you need to prepare for this experiment? Number one is zip bag for plant A and plant B. Okay, don't forget to label your zip bag. And for the second thing is you need a cotton pads. If you don't have a cotton pads at home, you can use a paper towel. Just fold it in half as long that it can go in the bag, can fit inside the bag, okay? And the third thing that you need for this experiment is beans, any kinds of beans that you have at home. So for now, I only have mungo beans, so I'm just gonna use this mungo beans for this experiment. Okay, so for the first step is soak your cotton buds in the water. So like what I did here, I soak it with water. Now you can see it's totally wet, and put it inside the bag. So for me, I'm just gonna use maybe 3 pads for each bag. There you go. I remove the excess water because I don't want my seeds to be drowned with water. So I just make sure that the cotton pads is really wet. Okay, so there you go. For plant A, as you can see, for plant A, I put 4 cotton buds. And for plant B, I only put 3 cotton buds. Then the third step is put maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beans in each bag. So let's see. Go. Or maybe let's make it 10 each bag. 2, 3, 4. There you go. For plant A, I already have 10 seeds inside of this bag. And I'm gonna put same number of seeds in the same in the plant B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There you go. So now my plant A and my plant B are ready now. After you set up your seeds in the bag, hang the plant A in a window using tape. Hang the plant B inside a cupboard or in a place where the sun can reach it. Questions. Which seed will germinate first in this experiment? Is it the plant A or plant B, and why? What are the needs of a plant to grow healthy? How does the light affect the growth of plant B? What have we learned from this experiment?